former associate insists Lin Wen Yi is not Gua's biological mother. In Philippine, Manila, a former associate of Bamban, Tarlac Mayor Alice Gua surfaced on Sunday to debunk reports relating to the woman who has been tagged as possibly the mayor's biological mother. Nancy Gamo, a former consultant of Gua, said that the woman who has been tagged as the Bamban mayor's mother is merely a girlfriend of Gua's father. Senator Sherwin Gatchalian named a certain Lin Wen Yi being introduced as Gua's mother in Valenzuela, where the Guas used to run a business. They mentioned Mayor Alice's mother. That's not her mother but her father's partner, and she is one of the incorporators in his corporation, said Gamo in an interview on Teleradio Servizio on Sunday. I have seen him personally. When I was signing the articles of incorporation, I saw him signing. His name is Lin Wen Yi. Gamo claimed to have worked with Gua for more than 10 years in relation to her business transactions, even before the latter was elected as Bamban mayor. I met him way back in 2012, she said. Initially, I helped him regarding corporate housekeeping and arranged documents according to the requirements of government agencies. I had a project with him. I was creating documents such as memorandum of agreement, dates of transfer, assignment of shares in a company he owns with his father, she added. Gamo claimed she decided to surface to share what she knows about Gua's personal life. It is important that it shows my trust and deep personal acquaintance with the character of Mayor Alice, as well as the aspect of her life and family, she said. Because when he came to the hearing in the Senate, he didn't expect to be treated like that, and he became a zarzuela for a long time. Lin's name was first mentioned by Gatchalian in a forum last week. The senator said that contrary to the Bamban mayor's testimony that her mother was a Filipino housekeeper, Lin was introduced as Gua's mother to the people of Valenzuela City, where the Gua family used to have a business. Senator Risa Hontiveros on Thursday also revealed documents showing that a certain Lin Wen Yi lived in the same address as Gua. Gua came under fire for her alleged link to a Philippine offshore gaming operator, Pogo, raided by authorities early this year. The Senate also scrutinized the Bamban mayor's personal background on suspicions that she might be a Chinese citizen. Gamo also denied Gua's involvement in Pogo operations. Nothing he has anything to do with it. I only know based on the Senate hearing, the property belongs to him. That's all, she said. Gamo claimed that she is voluntarily surfacing without being prompted by Gua's camp. She added that she is open to attending the Senate hearing on Gua's case if needed. If something needs to be answered, you can, she said. Thanks for watching Speechless Official.